real classy. Going live on the Ratchet. 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 Live on the Ratchet.
And we live from the motherfucking Ratchet. It's your girl Paige.
It's your girl Cake. It's your girl Buzz the Lady.
Motherfucking lady.
Oh, the motherfucking problem. I like saying that part. What a week. What a wonderful week.
Yes.
Easter Sunday.
Easter.
This 4-4 weekend. I don't know what the fuck that means, but
What y'all doing for Easter?
my kids are being sent off
Oh, where your kids going, bitch?
with their sparring down
Oh, okay. Look at that. Look at that. That's right. God is good. God is good. You won't need to do it. What you doing for Easter, buddy?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
To look nipped outside.
Yeah, it was just hot last week. I had on some booty shorts. Now, a bitch got to goddamn find a sweatpants.
Yeah, and a hoodie.
This shit tricky like a motherfucker. I wonder what it's gonna be like for spring break, man.
Right,
This shit
with
got
the
me
little
on
man
the
by
edge.
Right.
It is. Well, I'm not gonna be here. I'm gonna be at Myrtle Beach, but they say Myrtle Beach was gonna be just like Georgia.
Yeah, I packed some pants too.
That's a smart move. But I got a couple leggings and bra tops with my jackets. I'm taking
Miami, you ain't gotta worry about shit, bitch. It be 74 degrees in December.
Hell is
like, and for real. Yeah. Like, around Christmas time, before we down there with shorts and shit on.
Oh, I can't wait to get some real motherfucking money.
You gonna move to Miami?
I want to travel around.
Yeah.
I want my kids to experience
different cultures.
I would buy me a
different
property
places.
Yeah.
And I know
they got some nice ass
houses.
houses.
You ain't really gotta have no money to do that. I mean, you do, but I'm talking about as far as like, I just want to have a high Christmas.
Property. I mean, like, basically, buy the condo.
And rent that one for out.
Airbnb that bitch, you gonna make no money.
Gonna make all your
buy a $100 a night, then fuck pay for that shit.
Unless it's in a year. Yeah, that's right. And then in Miami too. Shit, you'll make more money than you will Airbnb and that bitch out in Atlanta.
Exactly. Just at the fact that we're
exactly. And you can charge that. Like we was just talking about, when you good and what you do, you can charge what you want.
Motherfucker
when you know your shit.
Because your price is your price.
Motherfucker pay that shit.
Right.
Exactly.
The ones that fuck with you gonna pay for it no matter what your price is.
Yeah.
That part too.
But no cap, some people will have you fucked up like, bitch, you doing too much. If I'm paying the deposit, why do my deposit not go towards my service?
Oh no, I'm never doing that.
That's just free money.
That's the new thing.
Not now when these I fuck with.
Damn, fuck new.
A lot of stylists are doing it now.
I would never spend my money with them. What you mean?
Girl, wet.
Fuck that. I try to get this shit myself in.
What is that?
YouTube. Go buy that shit. YouTube
they don't make y'all fucking game.
Yeah, y'all don't do no shit like that.
That's why a lot of people learn how to do shit on their own.
And they boosting the price on the Airbnbs because a lot of people are coming out of town. They fucking them up.
Yeah.
So like All-Star Weekend when they fucked up all the Airbnbs and everything. It was on the news. They fucked up a lot of them.
Oh, I know. You supposed to know not to rent your shit out like that All-Star Weekend because you know these folks finna be out here pipe the fuck up. But you want to be greedy.
But not even that, because I feel like, because now I feel like, what was fucked up, but now not even that, because you can leave them.
Like, they basically damaged their Airbnb.
And
then
you know,
they finna go
damage, that's different.
So they left that shit dirty as fuck.
I thought you smelled like trash. Okay, but they charge like $150 cleaning fee though.
But it's just the fact that they came down here and then didn't have no respect. Like, it was one Airbnb where they broke the couch. They broke
how you break a couch? Oh yeah,
and basically left and got on their flight the next day.
Shit like that, bitch. Broke the couch.
How you
the leg
jumping on it?
Or it was a little dent in
was it broken in half? How you break a couch?
Or was it cut up? I need more details. Was it a fight in this bitch, or was they fighting for
They said it would throw up everywhere. I think they had they had a party at the Airbnb.
Now that get your ass beat.
That get your ass.
I go find your ass. Go back to my booking history. and come find your little nasty throw up ass. Little nasty. Everybody throw up, but at least have some motherfucking home training.
That's nasty as fuck.
It's fuck.
Throwing up, like,
the fuck.
I had cleaned up. I
slowly losing my voice, but it's coming back, but it's leaking.
Cause you been doing what?
Out pop my shit.
Oh, booked and busy. Y'all probably came cross up.
Yeah.
You've been real booked and busy.
What's the next show?
I actually have one tonight.
I know, but
and tomorrow.
Okay.
So it's some real deal booked and busy shit going on.
Yes,
sure. Cause Buzz the lady or the motherfucking problem. Go stable.
Girl, summer.
The problem. Woo. Baby, shout out for the takeout. Gonna be with the famous hoe this summer. Do not play with it. Energy do it. So, speaking of famous motherfuckers, we want to talk about people rapping. They're going to talk about that fuck nigga Nas. Look, Nas X. The gay boy.
I don't know what that is.
I mean, he ain't even about him being gay. I fuck with my gay people. Old Town Road, you know, he turned out to be gay. Okay. And they were saying he manipulated the kid before he came out gay. He got the kids as an audience and with that Old Town Road song and got done that he just got on all platforms and you know what I'm saying. Then he came out being gay, so people really want to fuck with him. But then he want to come out. They say he brought a whole motherfucking letter to the devil or some shit. Came out with 666 past shoes, 666. That's the devil. I hate to even say this. Oh my God, yes. Ooh, I rebuke him. But anyways, he came out with 666 pairs, got horns on the motherfucker. Oh, no. He was saying this is for the people who scared to walk in their truth. And yeah, girl.
But he really said that they were as he was growing up, his parents and everybody else told him that he was going to go to hell for being gay. So he said, now that y'all telling me I'm going to go to hell for doing it, now that I do a video to promote my song, and it's me basically going to hell because this is what y'all say I'm going to do because I'm gay. Y'all are mad.
Nah, hell yeah, we mad because bitch, you really out going to hell. So you going to prove it right?
Well,
so a motherfucker can say all motherfucking day how they feel about me, but that's not right. That's not right. So like, you okay? So you really you alright with going to hell? He said like you want to go to hell.
It's not that I don't think that he was saying that he's okay for going to hell. I think he was saying, y'all are saying this is I'm gonna go to hell for the decision that I made.
I want to promote that shit though. I get what you're saying though, because that is because I ain't even really
but he did that for the views because that one video that everybody is talking about made him more richer than he already is. That's why he did it.
He finna get sued too. Now he finna get some of that money.
Nike gonna sue the company that agreed to
bitch, Nike suing that motherfucker and the nigga who designed the motherfucker. Nike said they ain't got nothing to do with that shit, girl. It's an element like these, girl.
Yeah.
With horns on them bitches.
But it's like blood at the bottom, the red part.
But get what? They said them
Nike check on there?
They said them bitches sold in one New York minute. Sold out.
Oh, that was Nike. Nike just want the money.
You thought that Nike said they didn't design it and they didn't endorse that.
Yeah, true.
They not representing that shit.
You can't put my brand on your shit and sell my shit. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I'm gonna sue you all day long.
I don't know if you want to buy a whole bunch of black powder.
Yeah.
And then have somebody do that.
Probably order it off Nike.com.
They said Miley Cyrus, she couldn't wait to post a picture of hers. She bought a pill.
Oh, she bought some too.
And posted. Yeah, I don't even post.
Fucking devil.
Miley Cyrus, devil, she been the devil. She been since she was a fucking child.
Everybody knows. Show she used to be on.
I didn't know she was on the drugs.
What's her show? Hannah Montana.
Then came out with a song.
So y'all saw the Quavo and the Sweetie shit.
Yeah, I seen it. What y'all thought? What y'all thought about that? Yeah, that wasn't nothing too bad. Cause
they said she swung on him. I seen what they said. She swung on him first. Well, she did.
Well, I don't like the people on Instagram. I don't see what's in that orange book bag.
Exactly. I don't think it was no game.
What's in that orange book bag?
I thought I was trying to leave with the bricks or the money.
You know how you get it to they didn't want to play. Yeah.
And he probably just got that because he had just got the bag and put it right there. It's like she tried to hurry up and run off with it, and he basically like, pretty much.
And I'm glad he ain't really. I could take a push. And he ain't beat our ass on that.
Who the fuck is the cameraman? Is that gonna get viral?
Somebody leaked that shit.
Yeah, and everybody that shit.
Man, you know, people they be selling that shit.
And then y'all saw how he looked at the camera. How that nigga looked up at it.
Right. Damn, I forgot.
Yeah. He forgot about that money I make you do that kind of motherfucking Call of Duty game.
Yeah.
Y'all fucking wake up. Get the hell out. But it really wasn't that. She set her ass down. She did better than me. That shit would have been way further.
Baby, I would have tried to get out there.
I would have got down, killed that nigga ass up.
Yeah, I would have made a whole scene.
Beat his legs. He would have had to stomp me out, baby. I would have just sat right there crying.
But you would have beat the nigga.
Beat his legs. Bitch, you really just saw me onto the ground. Right. And you need trying to help me up.
But she did an interview and she basically said that it was just too much unhealthy shit going on in their relationship.
Yeah, before that.
No, this was after what happened. She didn't talk about the fall, but she did mention that it was just too much unhealthy shit going on.
Or change fucking different bitch. Like, but bitch, you know what type of nigga? I don't understand. Like, y'all know what type of nigga these is.
He repoed the Bentley. That was a lie.
Oh, that was a lie. She said that was a lie.
He said it. He never repoed the Bentley.
Yeah.
But then she said
that. Shit, though. That be sucker.
Cause I feel like he had a lot of niggas that do some shit.
Yeah,
like
but
that.
I don't think he did that shit. I don't know.
Yeah. So, cause
I thought she was pregnant by him.
I don't know.
Yeah. These Atlanta niggas, a lot of niggas.
Let me get that back. That Birkin. Let me get that back. Get that.
Bitch, don't pun me.
Even be wanting the ring back. What?
Yeah.
Bitch, I'm about to pun this.
So the chick that they feeling really mad and try to give that to you. Nope, you don't fuck with. You got to come with something.
Bitch, you gonna have to re-propose.
Don't come back.
Exactly.
Fuck that. Don't come back at all. It's over with.
Yeah. Pretty much fun.
I like fucking in the bed, man.
You think like
not when it's unhealthy. Not when it's unhealthy. Fuck that. Baby, bye. Thank you. Baby, this is what I need.
So little take all the gifts you got that bad. Baby, I know.
But a relationship could be so smooth. It gets unhealthy once you stop trying to fuck with that person. That's when it becomes unhealthy.
Yeah.
Because that's when you feel like you gotta watch over your shoulder. And that will stress you out. Like, is this nigga sitting outside my house? And this bitch looking in my window. Like, that's when the shit get unhealthy when y'all finna stop fucking with each other.
Fucking believe it or not.
That's toxic, true.
Bitch,
but she
nobody come pick through my window.
That's all you think about is that person.
That shit weird. Don't come pick through my window. Just call me and try to hear what's in my background.
Yo, when a person wanna fuck with you, they gonna show you they wanna fuck with you.
That would run me out. You pick through my window. Imagine.
But it's motherfuckers that be like this.
Y'all know that's crazy.
It's just but that's some mind shit.
Like and shit.
Oh, girl.
That shit would scare me. Like,
that's some mind shit. Like, you like what about your mind all day? That's the type you wondering what the fuck they doing. So they're gonna make you want to go over there and see what the fuck going on.
That type of nigga you gotta get away from.
What the fuck going on?
That type of nigga kill you and your kids.
That me. What the fuck?
Fuck that boy. Fuck that. You better read the sign.
I'm pulling up.
Bitch, I'm moving. I'm pulling out.
Bitch, getting the fuck
bitch,
on.
Crazy ass like they
cause ain't nothing worth it. That shit ain't cute. Oh yeah, that nigga in people he ended up having to stand out with
the I don't talking about how to my. You remember the nigga had done killed his baby mama and the nine. The nigga Charles, you remember his baby mama was killed, baby mama too. You remember?
Oh yeah, he killed himself too. Then
yeah, he killed her like he was.
And they tried to charge old girl. Yeah,
and got her from work. Was bring her to job, so she had to come out, right? Yep, she had to come out like, you know what this shit going on, girl. He went home, he killed her. She had like 4 fucking kids. He killed her and he killed himself.
Oh,
you talking about the story Cause I heard a story when
it happened about 5-6 years ago, 7 years ago.
It was just a recent story where about the tax money. When he
I remember
he killed the whole family.
Like the kids first,
like I said,
they killed the baby mama.
Like I said, you peek through my money window. That's a sign of lunatic. You peek through my money. You got that like. I respect you more. You call me and see what the fuck everywhere I'm at. Don't come peeping through no window because you gonna scare me out the rear. Don't do no shit like that because you might kill me.
That's what I'm saying. Like
I've been on caught cases time.
To make it more healthy is to try to work that shit out.
Yeah, talk.
Instead of because
they always say communication.
Do y'all think that this is a sign of crazy? Like what are signs of craziness? To me, if somebody just call your phone thousands of times, like 30 times within 20 minutes, back to back, and you just keep telling them, I don't want to talk to you, I don't want to talk to you.
That's not the sign. I personally don't think that's the sign of crazy. Because we just talked about it. That's what we were saying.
That's a motherfucker who want you back.
That's somebody. If y'all communicate and talk that shit out, it'll be over. But keep trying to avoid it.
I ain't trying to talk to you right now. Just give us some time. You ain't got no sense to do that. Just chill. If you're sorry, you just gonna keep calling back, They got to be retarded.
But you want to answer though.
Okay.
But you want to answer because they keep calling back. You know your ass want to answer. So that's what the black folks do. We see you calling, we want to answer, but it's fuck you right now.
We gotta be strong.
We
gotta be strong.
It's fuck you with no remorse.
At least you know that they call
but
and they say.
I don't think that's crazy.
Okay, but people do want to hear.
Hell yeah!
At least you know they say, but they keep blowing your phone up.
That's against the law. You can't go peeping about the window to see what the fuck they doing.
Why
that's on my property?
That's scary.
Fuck
yeah! You can't help people do that.
You can't do that.
That's some scary.
Your ass to go to jail for that shit.
Cause I don't know what the fuck I do. I might start shooting.
I don't think I peek through the nigga window, but I ride by.
Okay, that's fine. Ride by. You ain't getting out your car, walking through the grass. Bitch, try to see that window that had
But if I ride by and shit don't look normal, I'ma get it out.
You ain't gonna go knock on the door. Ain't no people through no window.
I'm peep first. I ain't gonna count. I'm peep first.
Okay. You want some fuck shit.
I gotta knock or kick this bitch.
I might start shooting at the window. If I look at my window and I see eyeballs, bitch, the first thing I'm gonna do is
somebody trying to rob you.
No, bitch, I don't know what the fuck going on. Shoot,
I ain't got time to think about this shit right now. Fuck all that. Shoot first, ask questions.
And it's crazy because people who always watch their back and got their guard up, they always looking at shit. Like, I'm always looking at my windows. Like, I'm always looking at
I don't got all my blind fit, but them motherfuckers,
my blind be fixed too, but you can always see the shadow of anybody. So I always look at my window, bitch, if I see any eyeball.
But nah, not fuck that. I gotta put my cameras on. I just got
bitch.
I got me some cameras to put on my shit.
Shit like that.
I just gotta put them up.
You gotta be more secure with your home.
Yeah.
I gotta get me some camera while I'm talking.
Hey, yeah, bitch, I just called.
They say they got the don't know you just activate your fingerprint to the motherfucker.
Yeah, my mom got some new shit up there.
This shit, yeah. I did just remote.
Bitch, they got some shit you can talk to Google. Set my alarm. That's what they sent me.
Yeah.
That one ain't got hooked up yet.
Baby,
I'm like, what the fuck? Do I tell Google my pad code too?
You heard too.
What I was gonna say, so you know, two of the officers that was at the riot is suing Donald Trump.
Why?
What riot? At the White House
when
riot?
They broke into the White House.
Yeah. Because you're right. But
5 people died, and I think 2 of the officers got hurt. So the 2 officers that's still alive, they got hurt. They suing Donald Trump.
I sued him too. Yeah, he got it. I can get it. Yeah, I gonna get it.
I thought Donald Trump going to jail.
I read got it.
A lot of people thought he would get back in office, and I ain't seen
that
movement.
Who thought that?
A lot of folks say that he's supposed to be.
No,
we supposed to be waiting to get back.
Why didn't he went to jail yet?
I don't know.
Because it's in another country. I don't think they gotta have like jurisdiction.
And they can't get him.
Yeah, son. You probably got to go over there and get locked up for some shit.
They got to
That's why I said they ain't gonna never. When I heard about it, they ain't gonna never catch him.
Because they ain't here in the United States.
They ain't come over here like that, man.
I got no home.
It dumb man got to go over there. Oh, he got you. I want to talk about the dude on Instagram who was barbecuing in the fucking toilet.
Man.
Like, it looked good.
Oh,
the corn and shit, but me personally, I would not eat no shit. I don't give a fuck if the toilet was brand new.
Shit grill, doodle choco face ass.
I don't buy
He said gasoline, motherfucker.
Yeah, I ready you make a fire cook my shit in the pot outside.
How the fuck was that shit even smoking?
Girl, he put choco in the toilet bowl. Yup. It was choco and he got the grill.
What the fuck was that seafood at the time?
I don't know how he cooked that. What was up there? The steam from that? Like, what he had to steam? I don't know, girl. Girl, I would never know because I never.
So would
you eat the chicken out the toilet?
I won't eat
nothing. Nasty up.
I won't eat nothing. I go give me a goddamn pack of noodles from the stove.
And I put some hot water in the bath and hold that bitch with my hand closed before I eat this shit. Or I eat some raw noodles.
Yeah.
I'm about ready to eat some raw meat before I eat that shit.
Maybe a leaf I should grind before I eat some shit out of the toilet. God damn.
And then
the toilet did not look new.
Right. And then the part
like that old toilet.
The main part of anybody's house that I hate personally is the bathroom.
Yeah.
I don't like I just don't like other people's bathroom. Yeah. If it's a clean bathroom, that's different. But just using other people's bathroom because motherfuckers don't think to like that toilet.
Bathroom.
Yeah.
Ugh.
It makes my flesh crawl as soon as I go in there. Make me not want to use that.
It make me look at you like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
This shit is. And then, ooh. Yeah. That's why I'm trying to take my kids. Y'all keep this shit together because you never know when somebody use fucking bathroom. This shit, y'all need to give a fuck. Oh, Jesus.
And I can't stay in the toilet.
Oh,
And think about eating. You finna eat all that shit. The water, that's toilet water you got up there with the coin. If you got water up there, like, what the fuck?
I wonder.
Probably ain't no water up there, but what you got to do?
One thing about it, like, I ain't gonna knock them for doing it.
What is the shit stuff? I'm gonna knock them, cause baby,
I'm not gonna knock them for doing it.
Going on right now?
You probably had
it's a pandemic. Ain't nobody got no money for no grill.
But bitch, you got no money to pay your phone.
Everybody got Instagram. Stimulus. It's
like, hell, these guys got stimulus.
He probably ain't got it.
Man, wants some clout.
Everybody got their money by now.
They want some clout with their nasty ass.
Everybody got their money.
Everybody was an old ass toilet too.
Yeah, that shit.
Oh, that's what I want to know. Was it used?
But they probably just in a rush. Like that's just a remedy. Like what if they
in a rush? That shit take time. What the fuck wrong with you, buddy?
I was just sitting right here thinking.
I'm finna take the weed from
I'm trying.
They was in a rush. Like they ain't had no grill, so the toilet was the next option. They were like, let me just experiment.
I'd rather put my clothes on the ground.
How much you?
I'd rather go steal a fucking grill.
How much you want to bet? They finna come out with the grill.
Bob, you better run the fuck out of there. Don't be right here, car crunk.
That's just
how much you want to bet they gonna come out
with a better plan than that?
They gonna come out with a grill that look like a toilet. Watch. They just gave you. They gave.
You probably getting them motherfuckers an idea.
Yeah, because
they probably ain't even like that. I feel like them folks just trying to get my money.
Yeah, or some Instagram likes or some shit.
Yeah.
You won't get my motherfucking money. Inside.
Oh, excuse me, I keep yawning.
Yeah.
You hope you smoke my head up, and we shooting late tonight. It's late.
Yeah.
1 o'clock in the morning.
No, I ain't no damn one. Oh yeah, it is
old too.
You get old.
I get tired early, baby.
Oh yeah, she been in bed by 8.
I will be out of here.
I'll go to bed at 6 in the morning. Y'all can always call me. I be up.
I'm telling you, Lord, I'm
burning. I always been night.
But I know you was up.
I guess I'm used to that shit. But when I had a job, I used to work at night. All my jobs at night. So.
Did y'all see that new massager that they're promoting? That basically you put it in your tub, your bathtub, and it.
I want one.
I said I'm gonna get me one.
Yeah.
I ordered one. That shit still ain't got here.
Oh, you done ordered it?
Oh, you need, girl.
Please.
When you order from Instagram, it take like 2 months.
I'm telling you, mine. Yeah, because it's been 3 minutes.
You ordered it from Instagram?
Yeah, it's on Instagram. Yeah. It's had 2 months, literally.
The original price was like $70, but I had it for $30.
I get what the fuck you paid for now.
You know,
I bought some shit from Instagram.
That should be
some Beverly Hills. Girl, them bitches do like that for my motherfucking children paper doll. That's so goddamn low. I didn't know it could come like that. I don't know what the fuck it did with my package finally. After 3 months,
I told you 2 months.
You know when they be showing you.
Sometimes you gonna go make a check on email.
And the shit be fucking, it like
straight here.
And they strain that shit out.
She ordered.
I ordered them. And then I got some purple shit. It was some little purple. But that shit's such a scheme.
I thought it was a good deal. I would ask them, can I use
dirty motherfuckers. Yeah.
Straight my real hair. She was like, girl,
hey, good money for
it got you for a good money.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Plus shipping the hand.
It sound like Wish to me. Girl, they be scared.
Yeah. Girl. I've been like my lesbian girl.
Lisa, she told me about Wish.
Girl, they ain't
she stay get scammed.
Yeah. Girl, I ordered me a perm one day. Girl, like some more shit like when I was younger. Girl, my shit was so motherfucking small. Like the perm. Perm probably did big. It be a cute ass perm. This shit probably come did big. Wish shit. And that take a long time for that shit to come too.
You gotta look at the material and what you really got to do.
You gotta read the height.
Read the reviews.
And the weight. Yeah, please read the reviews.
Cause them folks in them comments and them
they
reviews,
let you know.
They'll tell you the truth.
Mm-hmm.
They will tell you the motherfucking truth.
So y'all know they say that the gorilla blue girl is now pregnant with her 6th child.
Yeah, I didn't know she had that many kids. She look good.
That's it.
She look good.
She pregnant.
And then the nigga got that whole children.
He know that hoe finna get some money. He nothing in that bitch. He nothing in that bitch. That nigga ain't slick.
And the nigga got 4 children, so they finna have 10.
Damn.
She got some money off that shit.
They talking about gluten brown.
Yeah.
Girl calling the child gluten.
Oh my god. Not gluten.
Girl, gluten brown.
She kind of gave me slow vibes. You got to be slow as fuck to put that shit, spray that shit in her head. Like, hell nah, bitch. And then if you knew, I would have said,
that shit was
real quick.
Yeah, she did
that.
That
was laid.
I know.
Yeah, that shit was laid. I ain't even gonna
that shit was
laid. Job, though.
You know how sometimes, y'all remember
how
how
under surgery.
Y'all remember how we used to use the black gel on our hair and the shit used to have our shit laid, but when we take it up, we still can lift it. It still be hard as hell.
I always do my swoops like this, y'all.
You gotta watch this shit.
I used to always grab, when I was finished, just grab my swoop and now the gel. That hard my shit used to be. You know what I'm saying?
That shit be like sticky.
That shit bring a motherfucker hair too.
Wow, wait.
Some motherfuckers say they used to grow it. I don't know how, cause you comb this motherfucker, your hair ain't doing shit but breaking off.
Yeah, no, I used to have to brush
wash
that shit.
Baby. I used to have to wash my shit. It be
I
black
remember those
gel.
days, dog.
I used to comb my shit first, then wash it. That's it. Had a little fix.
Yeah, so a whole bunch of goddamn damn, I had that brown shit. And I used to have the little cheek
that shit has fix.
You better not get that white gel.
Oh, bitch, you gonna have fix every fucking
man,
one.
White gel.
And your hair gonna crumble up by the end of the day. You better not sweat that shit out. That black gel. That black gel was true.
I think everybody grew up on the black gel.
Yeah,
I used to have to make sure my mom
could not buy my own.
She had to bring me this. Bitch, I just saw a picture last week when I was younger, bitch. Like, what the fuck was I doing with the black gel? Girl, you see the black gel on the edge.
Everywhere.
I had every color headband in my hair, girl.
Yeah. We used to wear all type of different colors and shit.
Girl,
I had like sit headband, black gel, and
swoop. Ponytail to the side, cheese out.
Yeah, you gotta tease.
Bitch,
don't forget.
Look at that ponytail. That's me.
Don't forget. I ain't got a ponytail, but I did have a girl. I had to have a band though. Don't let me do my phone there. I had to push it out.
Fucking classic Reebok and some slot sock.
Oh yeah.
That slot sock back in the day.
You
gotta go wild. Oh yeah, I had a black pair.
I had a black and white pair. I probably had a
classic white
and blue pair.
But them classic Reebok white, it was just like a pair of white Air Force One, boy.
Wait, them classic Reebok low tie head.
What you want? Some Reebok?
I'm telling you.
My sister don't want the J's. Hell nah, give me the Reebok, mom. She's like, you
always white ones.
Hell yeah,
they go with everything, baby.
Nene always was a goddamn joint person. That bitch didn't want the J's. She was selling. What kind of shoes I want? I want J. I'm like, shit, you give me some Reebok. See, I might give about 2 pair, goddamn.
Okay.
Reebok, $30. Reebok, $2. I ain't there like them white classics though, boy.
Shout out to Reebok, they doing some nice things.
Yeah, they collaborate.
It was hard.
Everybody is coming back.
I like that shit.
D-Line, Reeboks, everybody coming
D-Line
back.
coming back.
I ain't wearing a D-Line right now.
We both out still now. I don't want to see.
They came back.
I ain't even wearing no
Yeah, people will wear some. People do wear like that kind of.
They better not bring motherfucking football back.
Let me. Y'all think they gonna bring the penny loafers back?
Penny loafers, the shoes that
the ones that look like black eyed peas.
Yeah, motherfuckers still wear them. They still sell them to the day in Payless. If you can find a Payless,
They told us
still have pay. We're gonna get
what about some comments?
Oh, bitch, they better not bring them motherfuckers.
They didn't bring my motherfucking Melissa's back.
Oh yeah,
Melissa.
girl, the shoes that look like Jimmy.
But you can't fuck about Melissa.
Bitch, I used to wear socks.
What
Melissa?
The clear ones
They
for the
look like Jimmy, but they had the M side. Yeah.
M on the side.
It was the
one with the checkerboard shit on.
No, they
jelly.
clear like jelly.
They
And
clear
they
like
used to make the little jelly flip flop.
Was you in boot camp?
Probably so. I had to pay. But all the jellies, I remember the one you start speaking with the scrap to come behind
the old jelly.
No,
bitch, they came out with some motherfucking Melissa.
Melissa.
They went, I don't know, you know what I'm talking about.
It was around the time we were wearing the Beauty by Soul slide. Y'all remember the slide? The Chinese slipper?
Yeah, I never had a pair of them.
I remember
I'm from the west side, bitch. I had every corner on the Chinese slipper.
I can imagine you in those shoes.
Yes.
Girl, the
net was every corner of the net.
Yeah, them motherfuckers was $3.99.
I was young as hell.
Got every pair of $3.99.
I feel brave.
Every time I saw them bitches in the store, I'd be like, Mom, I got this color.
She talking about, Mom, I got this color.
Every color.
Yeah, fresh and candy. Don't play with me.
I ain't get those. But I know you motherfucking Melissa's, boy.
I got to Google them.
They had it. Yo, was fake if you ain't had an M.
Exactly.
They brought some
my shit had an M on it.
And sometimes that M had to be red.
But I got them motherfuckers right now.
Yeah.
Boy, they bring me back out. They gonna be like, what though?
Yeah, them ain't nothing.
Them ain't somebody
But yeah, man. It's been a vibe, y'all. It's been a good show. Been a cold little vibe today.
Yes, it have.
My voice gone, but I was still talking.
It ain't been a whole vibe for me, man. God damn. I ain't even gonna get there, but we got here. Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah.
But this slow ass mechanic.
That nigga
but
been working.
That
nigga been working all for 30 days. For 30 days and 40 nights.
Bitch. You don't take that long to the next. Shit.
Cause I'm finna get the same work done on my
came down to fix my motherfucking car.
I'm finna get the same work done on my car tomorrow, and I promise you ain't gonna take no more than 2 hours. I'm been working on car for 3 days.
Yeah, good show, y'all. Good vibes. Y'all can follow me on Instagram at _buns the lady.
And y'all can follow me at Fuck You Pay Me.
And my bass Chasing Cake.
And make sure y'all follow us all at Live from the Motherfucking Ratchet.
Live
from the Ratchet.
We probably gonna have put motherfucking in there.
Yeah, we might do it.
Ratchet. No.
Live from the Motherfucking Ratchet.
Live from the Ratchet.
Yeah, keep it look. Okay, alright.
Live from the trenches.
Shout out to the boy Quack. Y'all know behind the scenes. And until next time, see y'all later.
Going live on the Ratchet. Going live on the Ratchet. Going live on the Ratchet. And I see you on your shit, babe.